Hi, I'm Aaron Paris with Switchback Outdoor Safety. We're an outdoor venture company specializing in recovery equipment, trauma care, and training. In this video series, we're here with Van Do It, and we're going to explore ways to recover your vehicle should you find yourself stuck while venturing in the outdoors. Should you find your vehicle need to be recovered, we'd ask that you do a stuck assessment to safely and effectively recover your vehicle. 3 common stuck assessments are: number 1, IDPE, identify, decide, plan, and execute. Number 2, STOPA, stop, think, observe, plan, and act. Number 3, UDA, observe, orient, decide, and act. Each of these will get you from point A to point B to recognize the hazards that are associated with the recovery, identify the appropriate recovery method, and safely execute your plan.
There are 4 types of vehicle recovery. Number 1 is an in-field repair. This includes dead batteries, flat tires, and other mechanical issues. Number 2 would be a vehicle-to-vehicle recovery, utilizing tow straps or kinetic energy ropes. Number 3 is a self-recovery where you would use your traction boards or your winch in numerous configurations. And number 4 is using a high lift jack.
Looks like the van has pushed in as far as it could, and then it's found itself bogged. We've aired down. Traction control is set to the desired setting we were looking for, but at this point we can't get any more traction. The lowest level risk recovery we can do beyond airing down would be to apply traction boards to assist in getting aid of our traction. And the way these work is that they'll sit on top of the mud and dirt and sand and snow, and we put them in front of the direction we're trying to travel, and then we roll the vehicle up onto those to assist in getting traction. All right, Nick, let's walk around. On the front tire, it looks like there's a mild amount of slippage. And then towards the back on the passenger side, what do you see there?
Not slipping, but it is fairly deep in mud.
So if that's the consideration, then obviously the vehicle is trying to spin the front passenger wheel. And so we want to go ahead and aid that so it can get traction there. So I would suggest we're going to place one here, and then we'll go ahead and walk around the rest of the vehicle and see if there's any other locations we can add one.
Okay.
All right, so here's one, and then let's go ahead and jam it right down in front of the tire so that it can roll right up on it. Good placement, Nick. That traction board is in line with where we want the tires to go, so well done. So on the opposite side of the passenger, we noticed that that tire was spinning, so that indicates this one's likely not getting any drive.
Correct.
So I really don't worry about putting anything here. Maybe we try adding one back to this one. As you can see that there's dirt being kicked out from behind that one.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and add a traction board in front in line with that tire. Just to make sure, we want to look underneath the vehicle and make sure the vehicle's not hung up at any place, as traction boards only work as long as all 4 tires are on the ground. So let's go ahead and look underneath here and see if there's anything else that could be hanging us up. I don't see anything.
Looks clear.
All right, Nick, let's give it an easy amount on the throttle, because if we spin on the traction boards, it's just going to damage them and it won't assist us any further. So go ahead and give a slight amount of throttle and see if we get them up on it. Good job, Nick. Just keep moving forward. All right, Nick, go ahead and back it up about 2 feet, and we're going to utilize this other traction board to just get us up over this root. Stop right there. All right, Nick, so you can stay in the driver's seat. Go ahead and put it in park, and then I'll go up and move the traction board so you don't have to get out.
In park.
All right, Nick, go ahead and easy on the throttle and roll up onto that traction board and just give a little bump up over that root. Great job, Nick. You're out. All right, Nick, we're coming back through an area that we've traversed before, and we had some difficulty getting stuck. So This time, instead of going ahead and getting stuck, we're gonna be a little more proactive, and we're gonna go ahead and lay our traction boards out ahead of time so we keep momentum and can get on through without getting stuck. All right, Nick, let's go ahead and get these traction boards and place them where we had problems before. I'll give you this one here. Why don't you take it back to where we had the issues with the driver's side rear. And on this one, because we're gonna slip down into here and this looks a little softer, I'm gonna place this right about here so you can roll right up over that. All right. As you come into this, go ahead and keep your momentum nice and consistent, and then steer right over top the traction boards to aid you to get on out. Great job, Nick. Pushed on through. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful for you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, follow the channel, and we'll see you next time.